Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to test your knowledge on social media platforms with a fun quiz. Are you ready? Let's get started. Question number 1. Which social media platform is known for its short-form videos, often featuring music and dance challenges? A. Facebook. B. Twitter. C. TikTok. D. LinkedIn. The correct answer is option C. TikTok. Explanation. TikTok gained immense popularity for its short, engaging video format, with creators using trending sounds and music for challenges and dances. Let's go next question. Question number 2. What is the character limit for a post on Twitter? A. Unlimited. B. 1000. C. 280. D. 500. The correct answer is option C. 280. Explanation. Twitter is known for its concise format, with a limit of 280 characters per tweet. This encourages users to be creative and get their point across quickly. Question number 3. Which platform is primarily focused on professional networking and job hunting? A. Instagram. B. YouTube. C. LinkedIn. D. Snapchat. The correct answer is option C. LinkedIn. Explanation. LinkedIn is a professional networking platform where users can connect with colleagues, showcase their skills and experience, and search for job opportunities. Question number 4. What is the name of the disappearing photo and video sharing feature popularized by Snapchat? A. Stories. B. Reels. C. Highlights. D. Live. The correct answer is option A. Stories. Explanation. Snapchat originated the Stories feature, allowing users to share photos and videos that disappear after 24 hours. This format has been adopted by other platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Question number 5. What is the primary function of hashtags? Times on social media. A. To mark a post as private. B. To categorize content and make it discoverable. C. To tag specific users. D. To dislike a post. The correct answer is option B. To categorize content and make it discoverable. Explanation. Hashtags categorize content by topic or event. Adding relevant hashtags helps users find content they're interested in. Question number 6. Which platform allows users to live stream themselves and interact with viewers in real time? A. Pinterest. B. Twitch. C. Reddit. D. Spotify. The correct answer is option B. Twitch. Explanation. Twitch is a popular platform for live streaming, primarily focused on video game content and entertainment. Viewers can interact with streamers through chat and donations. Question number 7. What social media platform is known for its image and video sharing with a strong focus on visual aesthetics? A. Twitter. B. Instagram. C. LinkedIn. D. YouTube. The correct answer is option B. Instagram. Explanation. Instagram is known for its focus on photos and short videos. Users can edit their content and curate a visually appealing profile. Question number 8. What is the process of creating and sharing engaging content on social media to build a community of followers called? A. Liking. B. Content creation. C. Hashtagging. D. Sharing. The correct answer is option B. Content creation. Explanation. Content creation is the act of developing interesting and informative content, like videos, images, or text, to attract and engage an audience. Question number 9. What is the term used to describe false or misleading information that spreads rapidly online? A. Trending topic. B. Clickbait. C. Fake news. D. Highlight the correct answer is option C, fake news. Explanation. Fake news refers to fabricated information disguised as legitimate news content, often spread online to deceive or manipulate audiences. Question number 10. What is the importance of responsible social media usage? A. To gain followers quickly. B. To promote healthy online behavior and avoid spreading negativity. C. To share personal information freely. D. To post anything you want without consequences. The correct answer is option B, to promote healthy online behavior and avoid spreading negativity. Explanation. Responsible social media usage means being mindful of what you post, avoiding negativity, and treating others with respect. So how did you do on the quiz? Let me know in the comments what your favorite social media platform is and why. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun content.